Hello, everybody. That's 3 Hot Wheels US cases in front of you. You know they're US because of that L2593. All of them have it. One's a 36 count case. 2 are 72 count cases. 1 is a B case. We know what's in there. 1's a C case. We should know what's in there. This one has a B and a C. I think this is a Gamestop case. All of these came from our friends at Mattel. This says to me a couple of things. We've been in a dry spell, right? The pegs have been bare. There's been a little trickling of some B case showing up over the last month or two in the United States. I don't know if C case has shown up. Maybe it has. Maybe it's shown up overseas. I think it has. Many of my YouTube friends that do unboxings that get their cases not from Mattel have shown cases well beyond me, of course. But when I get a case, that means that Mattel has them in their distribution center. And so while B cases are hitting, maybe they'll hit heavier, and that means C cases are on the way. So that's one thing it means. I also know that the GameStop cases are coming out. I don't know exactly when. I know they're going to be, I think, online only, that you can order them. And I don't know the details there. Once I get them, I'll share them. But I don't know all those details. But I'm not opening them all up in one video. We're going to go 3 different videos, and we're going to start with the B case. Since I've actually seen the B case in stores, we're going to start that. Then we'll move. The next video will be this one, the GameStop. Then we'll move to the C case, because I think this is a B. All right, enough as far as introductions go. We will blow through these if I'm able to talk, because I think a lot of you that watch unboxings, I'm glad you're watching them on Lamley. I think you've seen a lot of the contents, or you've seen them on the pegs, but I try and keep myself a little bit out of the loop when it comes to some of these. I'll watch some of them. I've seen a lot of these models, but every time I've come across the pegs, what I've seen is already picked over, right? So I haven't seen everything. I've seen some cool stuff, but we're just gonna look at them, and we're gonna go as we go. So let's open this thing up. Let's have ourselves a look at what is in the 2022 Hot Wheels B case, and we start with the Skull Crusher. I don't know what the treasure hunt is. I'll try and figure it out. The Twinnin' and Winnin', and the Mine Cart. All existing castings, I believe. I think the new, new castings are shown, new for 22 in that little box, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. All right. Oh, I already know this is the treasure hunt, right? Because of that little symbol right there on the back. But that's the Roadster Bite. This is the Quick Bite. So 2 different bites. Hot dog theme for this guy, but it is the treasure hunt. I don't know if we can see the actual symbol in the back, but we know the symbol is on the car itself. So we know that that is the treasure hunt. Plastic model, metal base. McLaren F1 GTR. Happy to see this one in this kind of teal color, right? That looks really cool. We had the McLaren F1, right? The more stock version from last year. And this is the racing version. What we've seen in Speed Machines, and then it moved over to Basic, and we've seen it in Premium as well. So nice to see that one. That is a casting I collect. So highlights go over here. These, well, I guess I'll put the regular treasure hunt in the highlight pile too, right? Okay, Loco Motorin. That was a Thomas the Train model. It's no longer such, right? Because it doesn't have a face on the front. 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel in silver. Boy, I'm creating some shadow, so I'm going to do it this way. And then the Street Cleaver in green. Mazda Repo, I think that was in the A case. Am I correct on that? In orange, but it looks really clean. Tooligan, that serves as a wrench. And then the Mercedes-Benz A-Class in blue. That recolor is cool, but I think we saw that in the A case as well. We'll do some highlight videos, but we'll go as we go. All right. Fast Fish in yellow, the Nash, and then here is the second issue of the Tesla Cybertruck. Pretty much the same, right? Still Zamac. It should be, of course. I don't know if they're ever going to color the Cybertruck once it hits the market, but this one has new wheels on it, different off-road style wheel, just to mix it up a little bit. So there's the second version of the Cybertruck. I collect that despite my dear readers and viewers voting this is the worst new model of the year, or most disappointing. Still completely disagree with you, as you saw in the video, but that's a highlight for me. I'm really digging the Cybertruck. All right, Volkswagen Beetle. That looks awesome with the wood paneling on it. Not terribly keen on the casting, but that looks okay. Bricking trails, that's nice. And then how about this 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth We know a couple things about this. It is a new casting because it says it right there. We also know this is one of Rio's designs. Really excited to see these. We're going to see the last of Rio's designs roll out in 22. I don't think he had anything for 23. Maybe I'll ask our friends at Hot Wheels, but we're seeing this one roll out. This is one of his, and of course it has all of the great details on it. The side mirrors, the spoiler in the back. Really, really cool to see the Cosworth done. Totally down Rio's alley. Nice to see that one in that Hot Wheels livery that it's got. Major highlight there. I think the biggest highlight so far, right? At least I'd say that. Track manga, looking cool with the in the convertible. There's the Skull Shaker in gray, and oh, I'm creating shadow again. Sorry, guys. And then the Ford Focus. We got that winter sun, which is super low. So, all right, 76 Greenwood Corvette. Always happy to see that one, but that was in the A case. La Fasta. Don't know if that was, but I know the Volkswagen Golf Mach 1 was in the A case. Disney Steamboat returns. It was white and black last time. Now it's kind of brown and gray. That's kind of cool. Toyota A86 Sprinter Terreno. We've seen that one, I think, and then we've already seen a Mazda. Fig Rig in blue. Baja Bone Shaker. So 2 different bone shakers, and there's the Trek manga. Trying to balance these as we go so they don't fall, but they probably will. All right, Flyby. And then there's always a Batmobile. So the Arkham Asylum Batmobile, this time in green. Kind of an interesting choice there, but for you Batmobile collectors, maybe you'll like that. And nice to see the 16 Cadillac ATS VR. I think this was a B case, new to the B case. Cool casting, right? Nice and clean. Cool deco on that one. We'll put that in the highlight pile. And we'll finish up. Oh, here's a highlight for sure. This is the first I've seen it. I've seen a million pictures. Brendan Vitesky shared it. This is his Triassic 555 Chevy Bel Air gasser. Clearly I wasn't going to see it on the pegs. This will go faster than a treasure hunt, I think. Look at that. The roof looks awesome. Triassic 5 deco. This is his actual, this is a replica of his actual gasser that sits in his garage. Hopefully you're following Brendan Vitesky on Instagram, because he's documented the entire building of this vehicle, and he'll show it off. Hopefully we'll have more in-person shows once we get past this latest mess from COVID, and we can see Brendan's car. Tooligan again, and then there's the Cybertruck, but we're going to put you, Gasser, in the highlight pile. All right, let's see what we got. If I can, there we go. All right. 73 BMW 3.0 CSL race car. Happy to see this one. This one, if it had real riders on it, would be a super treasure hunt. This one doesn't. It's the regular version. I'm going to have to get my hands on that super treasure hunt because I love this casting. It's called the Batmobile BMW for obvious reasons. It's got that big wing on the back. It just has that kind of shape, kind of reminds you of the classic TV BMW. This is a Toy Fair model. It's been in premium. Like to see it used more. It's been a Zamac. Nice to see it as a super treasure hunt. I gotta get my hands on that one. But that is a highlight. Car di Asada. Obviously, it's a Rio Asada design. It's got his name in it and the Humvee. There's your Cadillac again. There is your Ford Sierra Cosworth again. And your Honda City Turbo. 55 Chevy in blue. That was the super treasure hunt in the last case. Here's another one of Rio's new castings. In the A case, it is the Mighty R and the Ford Focus RS. Here's another highlight. New casting, 1970 Pontiac Firebird. Nice to see that one because it is the Legends winner. The Nash that we just saw, right? The Nash is also a Legends winner. But of the Legends winner, this is my favorite so far. And then we've got that Volvo that won, so we'll see that one, right? Bricking Trails and the Porsche 935. So I'll put the Firebird in the highlight pile. Twinning and winning again. Bubble-matic. Don't know if that's again. It's a Rio design. Try and always point those out. And there's the Fast Gassin. Car di Asada again, the Volkswagen Beetle again, and the Arkham Asylum Batmobile again. I think we're getting to the point. I don't know if we have Much new Pontiac Firebird again. And there it is. There's the 70 Chevy Chevelle. That's nice to see. Really like that casting. I think it's a Junimai design. I collected every version of that one so far, so I will add that to the collection, put it in my highlight pile. Jeep Gladiator, the Borla. We've already seen the LaFasta. The Jeep Gladiator looks cool in the Borla deco. I really like that, actually. And then the Porsche 935. VW, another Triassic 5, and there's the Let's Go in the middle. Is that a Rio sign? No. Another Triassic 5 is happy. I won't complain about getting another one of those. I think we've seen everything, right? I don't know. There's the standard kart from Mario Kart. Fast Fish, Fast Gassin. Velociracer, we haven't seen that one, but did you really want to? And Toyota A86 Sprinter Terreno again, and the 55 Chevy in red. Don't know if we've seen that one, but now you have. And then, yes, we'll finish off with models that we have seen before. Jeep Gladiator again, Mercedes, and the Honda City Turbo 2. There you go. Highlights for this case. I'm making a mess here. For the B case, Chevelle, Firebird, BMW is a winner for me. Triassic 5 definitely a winner for all of us. Digging the Cadillac. Sierra Cosworth, huge highlight on that one. Really dig that casting. I'm always happy to see a Cybertruck. Treasure Hunt is fine. And the McLaren F1 GTR is very nice as well. For me, those are my 3 favorites right there, right in front of you. That is the B case. Let's get to the GameStop and the C case. We'll roll those out. Thanks, everybody. Bye.